Good morning, student. Welcome in Step 2 Smart Class. I am Saroja Singh Yadav. Today I will teach you second lesson, Health and Disease of Class 8. As we already see the first part of this lesson, in that part I already taught you health, disease, type of disease, infectious disease, and disease which spread through the mosquitoes, some important disease of present days. Now in this part, today we will see non-infectious disease, misuse of medicines, generic medicines, lifestyle and the disease, celebrate Health Awareness Day, and blood donation. Non-infectious disease. As we know, there are many different types of disease. Some diseases are infectious and some are non-infectious. Why this type of disease is spread in our environment to us? Because of some deficiency and some problems we get different type of disease. Now we are discuss about the non-infectious disease. So non-infectious disease are those disease we can get or it cannot be spread through contact and through infection, and these disease we can get through itself by our lifestyle. So such disease is called non-infectious disease. These diseases are cancer, diabetes, heart disease. Now we see in detail the non-infectious disease, cancer. What is cancer? Cancer is the uncontrolled and abnormal growth of cell. When there is a loss of control on the cell division, then cell keep on dividing and growing. This make the information of clump of cancerous cell, and commonly it called the tumor. In such a case, person is said to be a cancer patient. Any tissue or any organ of our body can develop cancer. For example, lung cancer, mouth, tongue, breast, uterus, and cervix in female. Even though blood or the skin cancer can get easily. Now we concentrate on the causes of cancer. What is the causes of cancer? Normally some people consume this carcinogenic substance. What's this carcinogenic substance? It's nothing but a gutka or tobacco. If people eat this, they may get the mouth cancer. Cigarette smoking, if they do this smoking, then they get the lung cancer. Consume alcohol. If they consume alcohol, their liver will damage in this way, so they get the lung cancer. And some are very, curious for eating the different junk food. If they eat junk food like pizza and burger, so they may be affected with a different type of cancer. Due to the cancer gene or hereditary reason also, we affected with the cancer. Common cancer. The most common cancer in a worldwide are we see in a man and woman. In women, we can see breast cancer, lung cancer, stomach, cervical and colorectal cancer. In man, we can see esophagus, lung, stomach, liver, prostate and colorectal cancer. Now we see and concentrate on the symptoms of cancer. Whenever the person affected with the cancer, they may have certain symptoms. That symptoms, the weight loss without any reason. बिना किसी कारण के उनका वजन घटने लगेगा. Chronic cough that does not get cure, और उन्हें जुकाम होगा वो ठीक नहीं होगा, ज़्यादा समय तक रह जाएगा. Hoarse voice and difficult in swallowing. उनको खाना घोटने में भी तकलीफ होगी. Incurable scar that does not get healed. Lump in breast. चेस्ट में गांठ देखने को मिलेगा, तो हम उसे ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की निशानी मान सकते हैं. Now we see the diagnosis The modern diagnostic of cancer are tissue diagnostic, CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, and VSP. If person is affected with cancer, they must have to take the treatment of cancer. So, how the doctor can be treated whenever the cancerous patient can come? They may give a chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, robotic surgery, laparoscopy surgery. Now we see in detail in surgery what doctor is doing. The removal of cancer cell form using surgery. In the surgery, doctor will remove the cancerous cell by doing surgery. In radiotherapy, destruction of cell which is a cancerous cell using a radiation. In chemotherapy, destruction of cancer cell using a drugs. You can see this one is chemotherapy. The doctor is giving a treatment through the medicine or through drugs. In surgery, the doctor is removing through the surgery remove the cancerous cell, and this one is a radiation therapy. The cancerous patient is sent into a machine so that with the help of radiation all the cancer cell can be treated. Now prevention and control measure of cancer. Control over diet, physical exercise, never to consume tobacco, smoking and alcoholism, avoid addiction. Now we see the another non-infectious disease, that is a diabetes. Symptoms of diabetes that we normally observe in a diabetic patient is increased thirst, ज़्यादा प्यास लगेगी, increase and frequent urination, बार बार हमें urination feel करे होगा, more urge of urination at night. Causes of this diabetes: hereditary, obesity, mental stress, anxiety, lack of physical exercise. Diagnosis: to test the blood sugar level and HbA1c test. This test we can do in laboratory, and we have to do the contact with doctor. So doctor will prescribe to do this test and in a laboratory. Preventive measure of diabetes: proper diet should be taken by person, then they can free from the diabetes. Control over the consumption of carbohydrate and fat. People have to take less carbohydrate and less fat in their diet. Physical exercise and regular walking is required. Taking proper medicine and treatment as per the doctor advice. Also a preventive measure for the diabetes. How the doctor will treat if any person is affected with the diabetes? So in that case, doctor will provide injection of insulin, tablet that will stimulate the secretion in insulin, complete control over diet. Our next non-infectious disease is a heart disease. First of all, we see what is the heart disease. When the efficiency of the heart is reduced due to some causes, the heart not perform its regular work, and this causes a heart disease. Continuous supply of blood is needed for the heart muscles. These blood provide oxygen and nutrient to the heart. When this supply is hidden, the heart get stress. These can cause the heart attack. In such a condition, immediate treatment and doctor's advice is must. This can save the life of patient. हार्ट डिसीज जिसे हम इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज नहीं कहते हैं, और यह डिसीज हमें कुछ कारणों से हमारे अंदर देखने को मिलता है, जैसे कि हम रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं, काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, आराम से घर में बैठे हैं और हम लोग रिच हैं, तो हम सोचते हैं हमें काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो ऐसे केस में हमें हार्ट डिसीज होने के चांसेस होते हैं. लगातार जो ब्लड का सप्लाई है, जब वो हमारे हार्ट मसल्स में नहीं पहुंचता है, तो हमारे हार्ट को ऑक्सीजन और न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी हो जाती है, और इसकी वजह से हार्ट में कुछ रुकावट हो जाता है और हार्ट जो है अपने काम करने में मुश्किलों में आ जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हार्ट अटैक होता है. और इस समय में हमें डॉक्टर का एडवाइस लेना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। हमें डॉक्टर का एडवाइस लेकर उनके अनुसार ही काम करना चाहिए। हार्ट डिसीज, सिम्टम्स ऑफ हार्ट डिसीज, चेस्ट पेन विच इज हार्ट डिसीज के लक्षण हमें पेशेंट में देखने को मिलेंगे, जैसे कि उनके चेस्ट में पेन होगा, शोल्डर, नेक एंड द लेफ्ट आर्म पेन, हम उनके कंधों में, गले में और बाएं हाथ पे दर्द देखने को मिलेगा। क्रैम्प इन द हैंड में क्रैम्प मिलेगा। एक्सेसिव प्रेसिपिटेशन, ज़्यादा पसीना आएगा। अनईजी एंड ट्रूमर, और उनको अनईजी फील होगा। एंड अर्ज टू डेफिकेट और यूरिनेट। हार्ट डिसीज अवेयरनेस, देयर इज ए heart disease awareness. We have to eat the green vegetable, not to eat more junk food, not to eat more fat, and we have to perform the regular exercise. Causes of heart disease. There are many reasons for this heart disease: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress and anger and anxiety, and many other reasons. Now we see the treatment of heart disease. Doctor will treat heart patients by the angioplasty, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, heart transplant, installation of stent, installation of pacemaker. All this treatment is very costly. Diagnosis of the heart disease. How the doctor diagnose that patient is affected with the heart disease or not? First, they do the ECG. ECG is taken to check the activity of heart. Complete checkup by cardiologist. Few specific blood tests. By doing all these tests or by passing the patient through all these procedures, the doctor can know that this patient is affected with the heart disease. Now we will see misuse of medicine. As many medicine is available in the market, and some are very cheap and some are very costly. So most of people are doing very easy tasks. They purchasing the painkillers and eating and doing their work. But it creates a certain more dangerous disease in our body. The medicine which we getting very low cost in a market and easily available, and which help us for a certain time to do our work easily, but it create a little big difficulties in front of us in a future. That we can see in here. Misuse of medicine like painkillers without doctor's prescription. Life, we get the headache, we just take out one painkiller and we be eating and we moving to do our work. So we feel it's very easy, but it's a very dangerous for our life. If we affected with a cough and cold, and doctor will advise to take a antibiotic, so you will take we will take 1 or 2 dose, then we think okay, we are fine, so we stop taking. It may also causes a disease. Generic medicine. Generic medicine or the general medicines are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are comparatively much cheaper than the branded medicine. They are equal in their quality with the branded medicine. These generic medicine are exported in a large scale by many companies, but same medicine are sold as a branded medicine by increasing their price. This thing or this practice is commonly you can see in many countries. Under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana, best quality medicine are made available as a affordable price to the common people. These medicines are available in a Jan Aushadhi store. This scheme was started by the Government of India on 1st January 2015. Now we will see the lifestyle. Now most of people are rich. They having more comfortable items at their home, and they have more money. So their lifestyle is also changed. Lifestyle is a type of diet, routine, and the pattern of thinking too. Right kind of lifestyle, including sufficient sleep, right food, yoga, pranayam, and sufficient physical exercise. By wrong kind of lifestyle, there is increased frequency of ill health and episode of disease will be in your life. यदि हमारा लाइफस्टाइल को हम देखें तो इसमें हमारा खाना, हम किस टाइप के भोजन ग्रहण करते हैं, हमारा दिनचर्या कैसा है, हमारी सोच कैसी है, ये सब हमें देखने को मिलेगा. अगर हम सही लाइफस्टाइल पे गौर करेंगे तो हमें सफिशिएंट समय सोना चाहिए, योगा करना चाहिए, प्राणायाम करना चाहिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए. और हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि हम योगा प्राणायाम करें और फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करें और हमारे सारे काम हम किसी दूसरे से करवाएं. हाँ, यदि हम अपने घर के काम ही करेंगे तो हमारी अपनी एक्सरसाइज अपने आप ही हो जाती है. एंड रॉन्ग काइंड ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल इज सिटिंग एट द वन प्लेस, नॉट डूइंग इवन योर होम टास्क. And for performing your home tasks you are depending upon others, so it's not a good. It's create a disease in your life or in your body, and then episode of disease will be come in your life and you may be ill, और हो सकता है आप बहुत दुखी हो जाएं और दुखी होते होते एक के बाद दूसरी, दूसरे के बाद तीसरी, ऐसे ही बीमारियों की लाइन लग जाएगी. तो हमें बहुत जरूरी है अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को बदल लेना. वैक्सीनेशन. फॉर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ द इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज, preventive vaccination can be given. These save the health of person. By vaccination, baby can protected many different kind of diseases. Vaccination जो हम न्यूली बोर्न बेबी को जन्म लेने के तुरंत बाद BCG का देते हैं, फिर उनके कुछ मंथ तक, मतलब 1 साल तक हम तो हर 2 महीने 3 महीने में वैक्सीनेशन की डोज देते हैं, जिससे बच्चे को बहुत सारी बीमारी से सुरक्षा मिल सके. और जब 1 साल की डोज हो जाती है तो उसके बाद बूस्टर डोज बोल के 3 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल के बाद भी हमें देनी पड़ती है. ये जो वैक्सीनेशन है बच्चों को स्वस्थ रखने के लिए, कुछ बीमारियों से बचाए रखने के लिए दिया जाता है. नाउ वी सी द ब्लड डोनेशन. Blood donation is a very important task for our life. If blood donation is done 4 times in a 1 year, 12 patients can be saved. Okay, how many patients can be saved? 12. And this donated blood can be used in the form of RBC, WBC or platelet. So it helps the doctors to treat the patient which affected by the different kind of diseases. Let us see the celebrate Health Awareness Day. There are many days in our world or in country also, but as per the health, these 4 days is very important. 7th April is very important for the World Health Day. 14th June is for World Blood Donation Day. 29th September celebrate for World Heart Day, and 14th June celebrated for World Diabetes Day. Here our second part of the lesson, health and disease, is completed. I think all of you understood, and if you want the question answer, then kindly see our exercise question answer link, which is given in a description. Regarding queries, you can write in a comment box. For further notification for videos, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you.